So hello everybody, this is a small movie about one of my Morelia viridis breedings of this year's. I will show you the parents and the babies. So the breeding of 2019. This is the female, the mother of the babies. She is a Jayapura bred to Arso female, so she's Jayapura Arso, if you want. Now it's a lot of words, maybe I just have to start giving them a name and not giving the origin anymore, because finally they are designers. So this is the mother. Let me go down to show you the father of the babies. The father of the babies is a Jayapura. So this is the male. As you can see, both of them have a nice amount of blue, as have most of my green tree pythons. So you see, these are the parents, the male. So let's go to the babies now. I have 7 babies who are feeding good and 4 who need assist feeding, so I will only show the ones that are eating good for the moment. Don't ask me to sell them, because right now I've decided not to sell any of those babies, especially the dark ones, like this one here. Will not be sold. I will not sell them. At least I will not sell them right now. Maybe later, when they're a little bit older, if I make a selection, some will go, but right now they are not going. So it's number 4. And we're coming to number 5. Number 5, which is my favorite of the clutch. So I think it's the darkest one. Really like this one. Very beautiful. Nice dark snake. Let's see. It's feeling a little bit less than the other ones. So the good feeding ones have 8 feedings. This one only has 5, but it's okay. So last 2 times he took, last 3 times even. So I think he's on a good way also. It's number 5. And the next one is number 13. This is also a dark baby. See, you can see it also is a nice one. Maybe they're all nice, but I think these are the 3 darkest ones. So the one who will finally not go anywhere for the moment. Next one is number 9. You will see some that have big belly, because I just fed them yesterday. So those 7 are feeding very well. You just have to put the pinky in front of their nose and they take it. You don't have to push or whatever, they just take without any hesitation. It's another one, also nice and dark. Number 7, the one before was number 9. We are coming to the last 2, who are not as dark as the other ones. I have to turn this thing because I cannot see the snake very well. Don't know how I will do this one. Let me just turn it a little bit like that so that you can see it. Still a nice snake also, but not as dark as the other ones. So this one finally, I think I'll sell it in a few weeks. It's number 14. It has at least 10 feedings I'm selling. I don't sell my babies before they have fed at least 10 times. And this is the last one. It's also possible I sell this one later. this is number 12. So this was a filming of my first breeding. I have another breeding I will show in another movie. So those babies, I'm quite happy about them. I think the male and the female have both done a great job. Very beautiful snakes, both of them. I have to say that what you see on the movie, in reality, snake is a little bit less blue than that, but there is a lot of blue in them, in both of them. So maybe I should start to call my snakes John Donne Blue Line. What's in a name anyway? Okay, bye bye.